Hi, Soapy friends. Kandra here with Aloe Goods, and I'm here to talk to you today about our hair tea. It is a blend of organic rosemary, lavender, nettle, and comfrey leaf, packaged in fully compostable brown craft paper outer package. Interior package is a paper bag as well. It's what's called glassine. It's been calendared or smoothed to make it water and oil resistant. It is not coated at all in any way with anything. Let me show you what the tea looks like. There you go. It is a blend of herbs specifically formulated to help nourish the hair and the scalp. So let me tell you how to use this. You have two options. First, you can brew a tea because it's tea. Boiling water, poured over some of the tea, let that steep for at least 30 minutes or a couple hours, or heck, even overnight, which I've been known to do. And then you will use that tea to rinse your hair. You'll pour it over your hair as it comes down, catch it into a bowl, then pour that over your hair, catching it into another bowl, and keep doing that and run it through 3 or 4 times. It really helps to cleanse, nourish, and condition your scalp and your hair. The next thing you can do with the brewed tea, just brewed with hot water, is to use it to create a nourishing hair mask with the conditioner bar. We'll talk more about that later, but just know that you can do that, and it's simply divine. And then the next thing you can do, and this is my favorite and what we're going to do now, is you can create an apple cider vinegar infused hair rinse for after shampooing. Super easy to do too. You need a mason jar. You need a lid for your mason jar. I'm using a stainless steel band that I purchased from Mason Jar Lifestyle and one of their silicone inserts. So it just pops in there instead of the metal band. And with vinegar, you do want to avoid any of the tin or aluminum standard bands. Definitely go with stainless steel or silicone or even plastic so that the vinegar doesn't corrode. What this silicone lid does is it makes it so it won't spill. It seals it real tight. Okay, so what we're going to do is create a hairspray. Not for styling and perming your hair, but to spray in your hair. So I keep this in my shower. It is filled with infused apple cider vinegar. After I shampoo, I spritz my hair 1, 2, 3, 4, and kind of massage that through, run it through. Then I put the conditioner in, and it really helps to rinse the hair really well. And that's extremely important in our hard water here in Tucson, Arizona, because this little 4 squirts of apple cider vinegar will help release all of the minerals from the hard water that we have, so they're not building up in your hair. So what I do is I simply pour a few tablespoons, I'm just eyeballing it here, of the hair tea into a jar. Got about that much in there. And apple cider vinegar, doesn't matter what brand you use. And I'm going to pour it over it. Ta-da! Simple as that. I'll pour the rest of that jar in there. All right. Lid. Give it a little shake. All right. I'm going to let this sit for like 1 to 2 weeks. Simple as that. When I am ready to fill my spray bottle up, I will strain the herbs out and pour it into a spray bottle and use it in the shower. So there you go. Quick and easy how to use our hair tea. I know your hair is going to love it. And for those of you that love the effect of apple cider vinegar but don't love the smell of apple cider vinegar, rest assured, yes, the lovely aroma of the hair tea does come through in the vinegar, so you won't be smelling as vinegary while you're in the shower. If you've never used vinegar in your hair, the vinegar smell does not stay in your hair. It's just what you're smelling while you're using it. I love it. Maybe you don't, but regardless, you're going to love the hair tea. All right. Hope that helps everyone. Have a great day. Bye-bye.